If you've been looking for body oils you can actually add to your cream for effective skin glow. If you're a woman that is struggling with stretch marks, fine lines, wrinkles, premature aging, as well as green veins, you're looking for oils that will help fade away all of these skin concerns I've just listed, then this video is definitely for you, because these oils are not only going to brighten your skin, but they are also going to tackle this major skin concern, as well as giving you a flawless, radiant, beautiful glow.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey guys, welcome right back to my channel. How is everyone doing? Consistency, okay, you guys. So yeah, if you're new, you're welcome, and if you're a subscriber, welcome back onto this one. For the sake of those that are new, I'm Sonita, film about skincare videos and everything relating to beauty. So if this is your first time, you want to do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell icon, that way you get notifications as to whenever there is an upload from me. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram with the handle on your screen. And yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, these are oils every woman actually really needs, because these oils are anti-aging oils. These oils are also going to tackle major skin concerns such as green veins, stretch marks, wrinkles, as well as age spot. These oils are oils that are also going to brighten your skin and thereby revealing a younger looking skin. These oils are definitely my top picks in 2024. If all of them are not selling in the same price, which is why I list them in their numbers, just so you guys can have something to work with. When I make videos like this, a lot of people would come asking me which one works better. Now, all of these oils are very good and unique in their own way, and the difference is that prices vary based on location. So the very first oil I have on my list here, you guys permit me, I'll be looking down, okay, because I've just listed them down. The very first oil I have on my list here is the Aveeno Daily Hydrating Body Oil. Aveeno comes in like 3 different types. They have the body spray oil, and they have the body mist, they have the daily hydrating oil, and I think the moisturizer as well, something like that. But the one I'm going to be talking about, of course I'm definitely going to leave it on the screen, is the daily hydrating moisturizer. This helps to relieve and repair dry skin. It's also a very good oil that is actually made with oatmeal oil as well as jojoba oil. These oils are oils that are meant to repair the skin and also give you a better looking skin. Now, this particular oil is also paraben free. It doesn't leave any sticky effect, and also does not sit heavily on the skin. Now, parabens are those substances that are added into body lotions or skincare products to actually help make it last longer, more like preservatives. But this oil does not have any form of preservative or anything like that. It's a very good oil that comes in a 250 ml bottle, and I don't know, like I always say, prices always varies based on location. So yeah, if you want to try this oil, by all means do that, because of course it's definitely worth every dime. Oatmeal and jojoba oil are rich in fatty acid, which helps to restore the skin barrier. You want to do well to try out this oil if you're struggling or battling with oils to actually peak. Okay, the next one on my list is the Dr. Teal's Hydrating Bath Body Oil. This oil can be added into your water, just like the name implies. You can add it into your water to have your bath with, even though we know that oil kind of separate when they are being added into water. Water and oil does not mix, but I don't know why it is advisable to actually be added into your water. Okay, and also this oil is also paraben free. It's made with a whole lot of beautiful ingredients such as jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, lavender oil, as well as aloe vera, which helps to soothe the skin. This particular one also helps to fade away stretch marks and whatnot, just like the skin concerns I've mentioned earlier. This oil helps to treat all of those major skin concerns. So if you have like a problematic skin, you have like dry skin, because it's specifically made for people with dry skin, that's why all of these oils were infused into it to help restore your skin barrier and also leave a radiant, beautiful finish. It helps to soften the skin, and if you have like dark spots on your skin, this oil kind of help to fade the dark spot gradually, also fade stretch marks, green veins, and also white patches. If you're using a particular lotion that reacts badly on your skin, you want to do well to infuse this oil into your body lotions or use them side by side. That way it's definitely going to help you avoid any major skin reaction, also helping to treat reactions you already have. So now, with consistent use of these oils, you're definitely going to have a revealed, youthful looking skin. And if you ask me, this Dr. Teal's also is really not bad part, like I said, it contains lavender. Like for me, I feel like the lavender here serves as a scent because it scents really well. This oil smells really amazing. Yeah, of course, almond helps to lighten the skin and softens the skin. It also helps to tackle major skin concerns, so which is why you want to actually consider using this one. Dr. Teal's and Aveeno is not selling in the same price, so you can actually just pick anyone on the countertop that you can afford. Okay, now the next one here on my list, the third one, is the Palmer's cocoa butter oil. Was formulated with vitamin E. Now Palmer's cocoa butter oil comes in like 3 or 4 variants if I'm not mistaken, but again, this one, why I choose to talk about it, because it's very good for a healthier looking skin. It helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin really well, sink into the skin deeply. I think it comes in a 250 ml bottle, if not 300. So a little amount of this oil goes a long way. You don't need to overdo too much because it just penetrate deeply. It's not an oil that you would want to pack all over your body. And yeah, again, this one also smells really nice because it contains cocoa butter, and the ingredients in this particular oil makes this oil what it is, because it's very suitable for people with rough and dry skin. If you have rough skin, your skin is never adapting to any body lotion you used. You want to actually use this particular oil to mix into your body lotion, or again, use them side by side. That way you're going to love. How I use oils on my body: after a shower, I leave my body damp, go in with my body oil even before my body lotion. Other times I go in with my body lotion before my body oils, whichever one that works for me, because there are times I don't even use body lotion, so I do more body oils because I want my skin to really look supple, smooth, softer, and very flawless. For those who are looking for, a flawless, beautiful skin, oils are one of the secret ingredients that you should add into your skincare routine if you want to have this supple, glowing skin. Oils are top notch. There are oils that are also very good that can actually help to meet your skin needs. Okay, you don't need to use this particular one, but for the sake of this video, I'm just saying that these are my top picks for fall in 2024. All right, now the first one on my list is the Shea Moisture virgin coconut oil. Now this daily hydrating oil helps to hydrate the skin daily. It lasts like I think 18 to 20 hours on the skin. Like even after application, it just like sinking deeply, and even when you're coming back to rinse off, you still feel the supple hydration that this particular oil leaves on your skin. So that is one thing I love about this oil. It contains very good vitamins that helps to hydrate and keep your skin hydrated all day long, and it's also paraben free. It also contains shea butter. Again, for people I like me, most times I recommend this oil to expectant mother and lactating mothers, because you know how postpartum mother looks like, all these discolorations and all of that. So most times I recommend these oils to mothers like that, just to smoothen out and soothe their skin. So for those who are pregnant, you're looking for oils to actually rub on your baby bump to avoid stretch marks, because you cannot avoid itching or scratching your stomach when your stomach itches here, or when your baby bump itches. So which is why you want to introduce oils. Is either you use raw shea butter to apply there, or you use coconut oil. So for this, I would highly recommend the Shea Moisture virgin coconut oil. This particular oil is super good. It comes in sizes and also comes in different variants, so you want to do well to pick the one that suits or best describe your skin concern. Yeah, there are also other oils like the Easy Tone body oil. That one I have tried out. That kind of brightens the skin, and it also very good in its own way. One thing I love about this oil is that it gives you this beautiful feel after application, and then it also not greasy, because I don't like oils that are greasy. And yeah, it also like kind of brightens the skin, even though it doesn't really tackle like major skin concern. But I noticed the oil tends to prevent stretch marks. If you already have stretch marks, it kind of fade them away, but not as effective or active as these other oils I have listed. But again, the oil isn't actually really bad, and it's selling for I think 4,500 to 4,000 to 5,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Now all of this oil that I've listed, for people who would want to ask how much, again, I will always tell you, try to play around with where you're buying your skincare products from. Ask 1 or 2 persons that sell original skincare products, compare and contrast the prices, and go for the one that best meets your budget. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, I hope this video was helpful, because I'm definitely going to end it right here. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. Bye.